Hello and welcome to Rashmi Ved Pathak's channel. Being a person from insurance background, today I want to take the opportunity to spread more awareness of insurance on none other than Insurance Awareness Day. Yes, today on 28th June 2020 we are celebrating as National Insurance Awareness Day. So whether you are aware or unaware of insurance, I guarantee you that you will be knowing more about it till the end of the video. So stay tuned. It is said that you don't need miracles in the West. You have insurance. But what exactly is insurance? Insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It's an arrangement by which a company or the states undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damage, illness, or death in return for payment of a specified premium. There are certain stages of life when we really feel like having an insurance. It is simple. If the insured experiences a loss, he then files a claim which is covered by the insurance policy. As there is always a fear of sudden loss, insurance provides financial support, safety and security, reducing uncertainties against particular event. So let's learn more about types, importance and benefits of insurance. Roughly it could be divided into 6 types, like 1. Health insurance, 2. Car insurance, 3. Home owners or renters insurance, 4. Life insurance, 5. Disability insurance, 6th is travel insurance, which is not mentioned in this figure. So let's learn more about each type. First is health insurance. Is that insurance that covers all or a part of the cost of the medical care. It prevents you and your family from suffering a financial loss as a result of an accident, illness or disability. Provides an income while you are disabled or in hospital, or covers the cost of your medical or nursing care. There are certain standards to health plans, like it's publicly administered, has comprehensive cover, it's available to residents, has choice and portability according to the medical care. Second is car or auto insurance. Well, it is required by state law. It helps to protect your finances, to satisfy loan or lease requirements. It helps protect your vehicle, and it also helps protect you and your family. The third is home insurance. It is very required for protection of the structure of your house from natural calamities, like even for rebuilding, relocation, and most importantly for peace of your mind. There are many risk factors covered in home insurance, like fire, lightning, explosion, riot, storm, cyclone, landslide, earthquake, or even housebreaking. The fourth type is disability insurance, that replaces between 60 and 85% of your regular income up to maximum amount for a specified time if you temporarily can't work or are permanently disabled due to some injury or illness. The fifth type would be travel insurance, and you will be surprised to know what is covered in it. It links you with a reputable professional only. It covers the medical cost at the time of service, which is otherwise expected to be paid by the traveler if he is not having this insurance. You can get home or call someone from home in emergency cases. It helps you find lost or stolen passport to emergency fund transfer. And you can also get coverage for lost baggage or trip cancellations, etc. The sixth type is life insurance, which again has many subtypes, so let's learn more of each type. The first is term life insurance, which can cover the income replacement, debts, and even future college tuitions for your children. It is very simple, affordable, it's targeted to your specific needs, and it's very flexible as well. The benefits of whole life insurance is the payment stays the same, the cash value increases, is guaranteed, the death benefit amount is also guaranteed, and you can take out money from the cash value whenever you want it. Well, here are some differentiation feature points between term life insurance and whole life insurance. The third is endowment policy. And this is the kind of policy which is designed to pay a lump sum after a specified term or on death. It has its own specific features and it's very helpful. Well, it helps in investments, insurance and tax saving. So it's the most loved one when seen in general. The fourth is money back policy. Under this policy, a certain percentage of insurance amount is paid regularly to the insured person during the lifetime of the policy. Well, ULIP. The ULIP is Unit Linked Insurance Plan, and it is a financial product which acts as an investment cum insurance, and hence it offers a dual benefit. There are many types of it, like equity fund, debt, money market. ULIP has dual advantage of insurance and investments, has long-term wealth creations which is exposed to money markets, has tax benefits, and it and is very flexible, guaranteed to money capital returns. Sixth is life insurance for children. The child insurance policy is saving-cum investment plan that is designed to meet your child's future financial needs. The majority amount of child insurance is tax-free. Whoever has children dependent upon them can buy child plans. It builds large corpus tax benefits and can be used as collateral for loan and helps in beating the inflation today. Well, so there is definitely something to give your child than just your love. The seventh is retirement plan, which is the last part of your life insurance, and it can act as supplemental income. It's also an additional saving. It has tax advantages, and the most important aspect of life insurance is that it provides financial protection to your family. So here you can see the insurance covers a very broad and large aspect of everybody's life. So let's see the functions of insurance. The primary functions are to provide certainty of payment at time of loss, provision of protection and risk sharing. The secondary functions are prevention of loss, provision of capital, improvement of efficiency, ensuring welfare of the society and programs. So equitable distribution of financial losses of the few who are insured among the many insured is the primary need. So here we understand that why we actually need insurance. The actual cost of life insurance sometimes is overestimated, and this is a very big reason that people still don't buy insurance. But it's very much less than the cell bill, monthly cell bill or monthly latte. Latte costs around $4 per day, whereas life insurance will cost you only $1 per day. 83% have yet not bought life insurance thinking it to be expensive, but it actually is 3%. It's actually 3 times less expensive than most people think. So, it's not your salary that makes you rich, it's your spending habits. So, here we have learned more about importance of insurance. It is help, security, safety, coverage, protection, and your confidence. It provides protection against occurrence of uncertain events. It's a device of eliminating risk and sharing losses. Cooperative method of spreading risk, facilitates the international trades, serves as an agency of capital formation. It gives financial and medical support, and also as a source of employment. So isn't it not important? So today I want to ask you, are you covered? Do you have insurance? Do you manage the risk that can happen in your life? So insurance is a route that has branches which fulfills your life, home, money, business, travel, car, and your future. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. If you died today, would your family be able to live at a better, same, or worse lifestyle than they have now? You only live once. False. You live every day. You only die once. Invest in yourself. You can afford it. Trust me. At first, they will ask why you are doing it. And later, they will ask you how you did it. And you know, the first revolution is when you change your mind. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, share this video more to spread more awareness of insurance, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this till the end of the video. Stay tuned with my channel, stay safe and stay happy. Dhanyavad.